new pickup in from Goat app. Picked up more Asics, Ronnie Fieg palette. Slowly but surely, I want to complete the set. Got the Asics. Let's take a look what colorway this one is. This is the chalk colorway. Box is damaged right over here. I did get $20 off because of the damaged box. Seller gave me the $20 off, so took it. And I want the shoes. We don't wear the box. And here we go with the shoes. This is a chalk colorway. It's like a gray, hint of gray, hint of cream color on the soles. Yeah. Here's the shoes. Not totally white. We got Asics inside. Another Ronnie Fieg palette. Very fire, all suede. Y'all know how that goes. Alright. Another extra laces. No goat sticker or authenticity, but here is a little rope lace. Then it comes with flat lace. It's like a tannish cream. Might swap that out, but here's the other pair. Hella clean, hella clean. A little dirty here, I don't know what that is. Like a glue stain right there. I don't even tell. Right here, a little stain, but yeah, it's what it is. Whatever. There's a chalk colorway. Another glue stain here. And take that out. But yeah, let me know down in the comments if you guys are feeling this colorway or not. This is the chalk. Grabbed it under retail. Thanks to the damaged box, seller accepted the little partial refund. So yeah, new pickup. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Subscribe for more videos. See you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.